All right, ready to dive into some seriously cool stuff? Today, we're looking at how AI is shaking things up in the world of accounting.
It's not about robots taking over.
Right, exactly. It's
Yeah.
more like giving accountants superpowers to, work smarter, not harder.
I like that, superpowers.
Think of AI as this amazing upgrade, helping accountants navigate the sometimes crazy world of finance.
It really is changing the game. I mean, we're going way beyond just automating simple tasks now.
Right. So, what kind of superpowers are we talking about here? Let's start with how AI is changing what accountants do every day. All those tasks that used to take up so much time, like data entry, invoice processing.
Yeah, AI is taking those tedious things off their plates. Like QuickBooks, they're using AI for auto-categorization. It tracks expenses and invoices automatically.
That's got to be a huge time saver.
Huge. It frees up accountants to, really focus on the important stuff like providing strategic advice or analyzing trends to help businesses make better decisions.
So they can actually use their expertise instead of getting bogged down in the nitty-gritty.
Exactly. It's like they're becoming financial strategists, using the insights that AI provides to, guide their clients to success.
Okay, that makes total sense.
Yeah.
Now I got to ask about something that's always on people's minds. Fraud. AI seems to be a game changer for detecting it.
It really is. AI can analyze huge amounts of data and find those tiny little anomalies that, a human might miss.
Like things that would just slip through the cracks.
Yeah. They use machine learning algorithms to identify patterns and flag anything that looks suspicious. Imagine an AI system that can analyze every single transaction in a company's history.
Wow, that's intense.
Right. It can spot inconsistencies that a human auditor might completely overlook.
It's like having a 247 security guard for your finances.
Exactly. And because these systems are so fast, they can catch potential fraud in real time, preventing losses before they even happen.
That's incredible. So it's not just about compliance. It's about protecting businesses from some serious financial risks.
Absolutely. AI is like reshaping risk management as we know it.
Okay, let's shift gears a bit and talk about the future, specifically financial forecasting.
Hmm?
How is AI changing the way businesses plan?
It's allowing them to be way more proactive. AI forecasting tools use historical data to predict future trends, helping businesses make more accurate decisions.
So they're not just reacting to changes, they're anticipating them.
Exactly. For example, AI can look at past sales data, market trends, even external factors like weather patterns, and use all of that to predict future revenue.
It sounds amazingly helpful.
It is. It lets businesses adjust their strategies and, optimize their operations for maximum profitability.
Makes sense. Now, we can't forget about everyone's favorite topic, taxes. AI seems to be simplifying that whole process, right?
Definitely. AI-powered tax software can automatically update tax codes, calculate deductions, and generate filings.
So it's taking care of all those details that can trip people up.
Exactly. It ensures accuracy, minimizes the risk of errors, and just takes a lot of the stress out of tax season.
It's like having a personal tax expert on call, making sure you're always up to date with the latest regulations.
Right. And as AI gets even smarter, we can expect to see even more sophisticated tax solutions. Things like personalized advice and tools that help businesses optimize their tax strategies.
Okay, so we've talked about AI in day-to-day tasks, strategic decision-making, and taxes. What about auditing? How is AI changing the way those are conducted?
It's making them continuous. Auditing is no longer just a periodic manual process. AI can analyze tons of transactions and flag any discrepancies or potential issues instantly.
So instead of waiting for a big audit at the end of the year.
It's happening all the time. Auditors can identify and address problems as they pop up, which helps ensure accuracy and compliance throughout the entire year.
It sounds like AI is making audits more efficient and more effective.
Exactly. And as the technology keeps advancing, we'll see even more sophisticated auditing tools. Tools that can detect even the tiniest anomalies and provide auditors with a much deeper understanding of a company's financial health.
It's clear that AI is transforming the accounting profession.
Mm-hmm.
It's automating those tedious tasks, providing super valuable insights, and just making everything more accurate and compliant.
Yeah.
But I gotta ask, what does all of this mean for the future of accounting?
Well, as AI becomes even more integrated into accounting, we're going to see a shift. Accountants will be taking on more strategic advisory roles.
Interesting.
They'll use the power of AI to help businesses make better decisions, manage risks, and really optimize their financial performance. The future of accounting is all about using AI to unlock new levels of efficiency, insight, and value.
Sounds exciting. Any advice for firms that are thinking about adopting AI?
Definitely. I'd say start by figuring out where AI can have the biggest impact. What are your biggest pain points?
Right.
Then look for user-friendly AI solutions that integrate well with your existing systems. And super important, invest in training your team. Make sure they know how to use AI effectively and really leverage its power.
Great advice. It seems like those who embrace AI will be the ones shaping the future of finance. It's a brave new world out there, and it's just getting started.
It is, but as AI becomes more common, not just in accounting, but everywhere, it's important to remember that it's a tool.
Right.
And its effectiveness depends on us. We need to use it responsibly and ethically to ensure that the outcomes are beneficial for everyone.
That's a great point to end on. Thanks for joining us today.
Thanks for having me. It's been fun.